So let's understand the turbulence and the Korotkoffs sounds which are produced when we are recording blood pressure with the sphygmomanometer with the help of a very interesting and a relatable story called as the noisy river. So once upon a time there happened to be a very silent and calm river which was flowing quietly through the valley with its all loyal travelers, that is the boats were sailing. Similarly, your brachial artery with the blood flowing in it. Then came a gatekeeper who wanted to assess how strong does the river flows. So it tied a gate and narrowed it to an extent that the boats could not flow through nicely or easily. Just as you tie the sphygmomanometer cuff, you take it above the systolic blood pressure after the palpatory method. Now the gatekeeper started loosening the gate. The water rushed harder and harder until it could squeeze few of its boat through that narrow space. But this converted the silent river into turbulence and chatter, producing a splash. These splashing sounds which you get record your systolic blood pressure. It is because of the turbulence while passing through the narrow space. As the gate widened or as you start deflating the sphygmomanometer cuff, the gate widened and the turbulent flow was again converted into a streamline or a laminar flow which allowed the boats or the blood cells to easily flow through with disappearance of the sounds which you record as your diastolic blood pressure. So the Korotkoffs sounds are the noisy splashes which are produced when a calm river comes across a narrow or a tight gate, with the principle being the flow getting converted from a laminar to a streamline with the tightening. So this is what is Korotkoffs sound. Now, the principle behind it is the Reynolds number, which says that Reynolds number when more than 3000 is turbulent. That depends upon rho dV by eta, density, diameter, velocity divided by viscosity. So, as you increase the velocity due to narrowing, you produce turbulence, which is recorded as sounds of Korotkoffs. Finally, to end, Korotkov comes from a Russian surgeon, Korotkoff, who while performing vascular surgeries on the soldiers in the Russo-Japanese War happened to invent this. So this is all with your mentor Dr. Reena in Physiology Pearls. Thank you.